Now, let's check in with Daphne Richards.
Our question this week, what's the difference between soil, compost, and mulch? Soil is made up of 3 mineral components, sand, silt, and clay. If you're lucky, you may also have some more naturally occurring organic matter in your soil. But if not, you can work some in by incorporating compost into your yard and garden beds. Compost, depending on the ingredients used to create it, is virtually 100% organic matter, meaning that all of the materials that went into creating it were ones alive, like leaves, grass clippings, and sometimes manure. Mulch is also usually 100% organic matter, but it isn't broken down to the level of compost. The larger aggregate material of most mulches serves as a protective layer on top of the soil, helping to keep it insulated from extreme cold and heat, and helping it to retain moisture by serving as a barrier between the soil below and the drying forces of the sun and wind above. Your soil type matters when selecting plants due to the water-holding capacity that sand, silt, and clay offer. Well-draining soil, required by many plants that are considered low water use, will have a lower percentage of clay or might even be rocky, depending on where you live, while soil that has poor drainage usually contains a lot of clay. Due to its nature, clay has a much higher water-holding capacity than sand. If you've ever heard that a particular plant doesn't like wet feet, that's your directive that you shouldn't plant it in your yard if your soil has a lot of clay. We'd love to hear from you. Click on centraltexasgardener.org to send us your stories, pictures, and videos.